What's up, everybody? I bet you didn't see me coming, did you? Alright then. Did you like that intro? Pretty original. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about GitHub, why it's important for programmers, why you should sign up and put all of your projects inside. So yeah, let's get right into it. Open your browser or Chrome. My browser's Chrome. So open that and go to GitHub, github.com. Alright, so I forgot to sign out, so let me just sign out. And okay, great. My internet's so slow. So you know what? I'll not sign out. Okay, when you go to github.com, it's gonna let you sign in. So sign in, and yeah. So why am I showing you this? Because GitHub is very important. So let's say in the future you need a job, and they ask you for what you have done, what's your experience, what's your projects. Well, you have to show them your GitHub because that's the only way they can see what you have done. And here I have about 5 repositories, so 5 things I have done, but one of them is actually mine. So this one is mine, tic-tac-toe game. I made a tic-tac-toe game, and I'm gonna open that up. And the thing you need for the the GitHub, you need a README. So README is gonna explain what you're doing, where to go to it. Let's say you want to install something. So mine, I just put a tic-tac-toe game made from Tkinter and WinSound. So then you have the code, right? So mine is, I called it, how did I call it? Tic-tac-toe.py. Okay, that's how I called it. And then you can just copy my code, and then you can go. This is the button.web, but like when you click a button and it goes like X, it does a sound. So you can install that. I give you everything so you can do what I did. So I install that. Install also this. This is when you win, it does congrats. Woo woo. Congrats, right? And then there's the tic-tac-toe.png because that's the icon of the window. Because when you create a window in Tkinter, there's this icon at the top left, and this is the icon I chose because it looked pretty. So now I'm going to show you how to make a repository. Let's say you made a game of Hangman. Okay, I'm not gonna do Hangman right now. I'm just gonna show you how to make a repository. So I'm gonna go back to Marco BY. Go dismiss. Okay. All right. Repositories and no. Can I just go to my home? There you go. Okay. Let me just sign in again. All right. Now I'm back. And I'm gonna go to my repositories. And here you wanna be, okay? Here, that's where you wanna be. So on your repositories. And then there's new, alright? So you have your repositories and then there's new. So new, and then repository name, let's say you wanna do Hangman, so Hangman. Great repository names are short and memorable, like Hangman. Need inspiration? How about special octodoodle? Okay. I clicked this by accident. Description: a hangman game made from Python. Alright, that's what I'm gonna put. Hangman. Right. And then public. And make sure you click initialize the repository with a readme. And get that ignore no. And then create repository. You don't need that. Create repository. And then there you go, a Hangman game made from Python, and this is the README. In the README, that's what is written. So I didn't write anything like too much, just for that. So you can actually edit it and cancel, and then you can create a new file, right? Create a new file, and this is gonna be I'm gonna call it hangman.py. Why? Because this is where the code is gonna be. So then make sure the indent size is 4. Alright, and then you can put your code and commit directly like this. Alright, it's fine. Commit new file. And then there you go, hangman.py. And then inside of this is your code. So actually I can edit this file I'm gonna go this from the sorry, what's this? Alright, so actually I'm not gonna change it, cancel. I'm just gonna cancel. And also, GitHub allows you to like look behind, like let's say someone changed something on your code, you can see what they changed and everything. Like I did right now. So I can edit it and then it's gonna save and then you could look at what I changed. And yeah, that's pretty much how to do like your repository with files. So I made a hangman game. Doesn't really work. It's just to show you guys, alright? It's a test. So yeah. Now I'm also going to show you how to download, how to install a module. Yeah, how to install a module in Python. So what are modules? Modules are like little blocks of code. No, not little. They're kind of big. So blocks of code that you can call using a name. Okay. So let's say you have a module called Pygame. It's actually a real module. It's made for games, most of them 2D games. So Pygame, okay, you call the name Pygame, and then all of its stuff that are inside, you can now use them instead of typing them out your own. So let's come here, open your CMD, and you're gonna go pip. This is module. This is the name you want to call when you want to install modules. So let me install Pygame. Pip install. So pip install, and then the name of the module. So Pygame. I think I already installed Pygame, so it's gonna tell me requirement already satisfied. If not, if you didn't already install, it's gonna do like a loading screen, and then it's gonna install. And then how do you call the module you just installed? Well, it's pretty easy. Import the first thing, and then the second word is the name of the module. And then if it gives you no error, it's because you downloaded correctly. And if it gave you an error, like comment in the comments below your error or your questions. I will answer them. So, hello from the biking community. And then, so this means it worked, basically. And then you can use everything inside. So yeah. I think this is gonna be it. Did I finish everything? Yeah, I think so. So yeah, if you want to use a tic-tac-toe game, go to my GitHub link in the description or in the channel art. So when you go on my channel, there's like, I think, top, like there on my channel art, you know, the teen engineer. And then you can click, there's like my GitHub there, and then you can click on it, and then it's gonna be here. Or I'm just gonna leave it in the description. I don't know. Alright, so if you like the video, subscribe, share, like, dislike, I don't know, for more. And yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it.